Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another Happy Crafty Easter project. Today I have a really fun diorama card for you. This is my He Is Risen diorama card. Isn't that really pretty? I love the different black outlines on there that really make it look like stained glass. It is such a pretty card. There's a spot on the back for your message, and of course I included envelope as well. This card is really beautiful and you can totally use it as decor. Now let's get our materials ready and get started. Step 1. Get the SVG cut file. This project is part of Happy Crafty Easter 2023. If you're watching this after the event has ended, you can find the individual cut file for purchase in my shop at shop.thebeardedhousewife.com. There's also a link in the description box below. If you're interested in the VIP Access Pass, which gives you all 12 event files, commercial licensing, printable worksheets, video tutorials, and bonus Easter cut files, there's a link for more information in the description box. No matter how you purchase the cut file, make sure to download the file to your computer, unzip the file, and then we can open up CRICUT Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to CRICUT Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in CRICUT Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer and click Open and Upload. Highlight the image and click Add to Canvas. Step 3. Convert score lines and any text. Now that the file has been brought into our canvas, we can go ahead and ungroup the design. Scroll down the Layers panel and find the envelope. Highlight the score line. Change that to Score. Highlight the group and attach. We need to do the same thing for the card base, so scroll down the Layers panel, find the score lines, come up to the operation menu and change that to Score, highlight the group, and attach. After you have the score lines done for the card base and the envelope, you can go ahead and click Make It. I'm going to be using the mats for this project, and you'll see the different mats for this card. Go ahead and click Continue. I'm going to be using medium cardstock for this project. I'll go ahead and get everything cut out and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your card. Okay, now that everything has been cut out, it's time to go ahead and start to assemble. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to add all the different colored embellishments to their corresponding inside pieces. I'm going to go ahead and do that. I do have a layering guide within the download that will help visualize that for you. All right, so you can see the two different inside pieces. I'll set those to the side to dry. Now we can go ahead and mat and layer all of our different pieces for the back. Okay, so there is our back piece. Set that to the side. Now we can go ahead and mat and layer our front frame piece. This just finishes off that frame nicely. Gives it a little bit more thickness too. Set that to the side. And lastly, for our mats and layers, go ahead and mat and layer the messaging panel. Now we can go ahead and fold up the card base itself. I've already done one side to show you this way, that it's a little bit easier to show. Your folds are going to be a mountain fold, then a valley fold, mountain fold, valley fold, mountain fold. Okay, the whole point is so that everything folds on top of each other like an accordion style. So I'm going to go ahead and do that for this side. Okay, so we have the mountain, valley, mountain, valley, mountain, mountain, valley, mountain, valley, mountain fold. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and press those with my scraper. And now you can take your glue and add glue to this front tab. Then you can take your frame piece and just attach that on either side. You line up the edges the best that you can. And now we have our card base all done with that frame. Now you can go ahead and add this back cover panel on the back of the card base right here. You can also do this before you close up that card base. Might be a little bit easier for you. But I'm just going to slip that in. Center it the best that I can. Okay. And now, going from the back, the next piece is the single cross. Okay, you're going to add glue the sides here, and then slip that in. Place it right here on these tabs right here. I'm going to slip it in. You can line up those top edges. Okay. And now repeat that for the second inside piece. And there is our He is Risen diorama card. Now I'm going to flip the card over and add the messaging panel. Depending on what kind of cardstock you're using, this back panel might be too much for the card and it might fall backward. So if you're using a heavier cardstock, you might not want to put the messaging panel on the back. Here we go. I will set that to the side. Let's make the envelope really quick. For the envelope, we're just going to fold and burnish along the score lines. Take our inlay panel and add glue along the outer edge. Flip that inlay over and place it over the cutout on the envelope. spin the envelope around, and now because this card is thick, what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip it and place it upside down and press down on the card to make sure that I give myself enough room when everything dries. So now I'm going to add glue to the bottom of those side flaps and bring the bottom flap up and press, and then I'm going to hold it for just a second. And now carefully take my card out. You can see how that leaves a pocket for the card. And the envelope is all set. And our diorama card is complete. Isn't this card pretty? Like I said, I love the stained glass look. It's really, really pretty. And I really think whoever you give it to will really appreciate it. It'll be great for decor during the Easter season. If you make this card, make sure to post it in our Facebook group. We have thousands of crafty friends who love to motivate and support each other, and we would love to see your creations. Until next time, I'm Nick, I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I'll see you at the next crafting video. Bye!